Google just dropped a free tool that builds your entire brand from scratch, and most people scrolling past it have no idea what they're leaving on the table. We're talking about Pomelli. It's Google's AI marketing agent. You feed it a website URL or a handful of product photos, and it hands you back a full brand identity. Logo fonts, color palette, brand voice, a working website, and ready to post social campaigns with animated video included. All of that, free, right now. And here's the part I'm saving for the end of this video. There's one specific output inside Pomelli that most people never find on their own. It makes the whole workflow look like a professional agency deliverable. I'll show you exactly what it is before we're done because it changes how you pitch this to clients entirely. Hey, I'm Paul James. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing about the way most beginners get started with client services, and honestly, this one frustrates me. They get told they need to invest in a proper agency platform before they've made a single dollar. Subscribe first, learn it for weeks, then maybe land a client. That is the subscription tax at work, and it is the wrong starting point. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something without a budget or a client list. The idea of paying monthly for tools before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That gap is exactly what Pomelli closes. And it's not a workaround, it's a legitimate zero-cost solution. The platforms people get pushed toward for branding work, website builders, social schedulers, AI image tools, brand kit software, easily run $150 to $200 a month combined. You'd be paying that before you've sent one deliverable. Pomelli replaces all of it, and that's the solo operator's advantage in this specific workflow. Here's the mechanism I want you to understand. I call it the brand stack collapse. It's the idea that Pomelli takes 5 separate paid tools and folds them into one free session. Brand kit creation, product photography, website build, campaign graphics, brand documentation, one tool, one session, zero cost. That's the stack, and it's what we're walking through right now. You start at labs.google.com/Pomelli. The first move is building what Pomelli calls your business DNA, basically a brand kit. If a client has a website, you drop the URL in, and it scans everything automatically. Fonts, colors, tone of voice, business overview, all of it. If there's no website yet, and a lot of local business clients don't have one, you drag in a few product images and Pomelli builds the brand identity from those instead. That's a meaningful capability. You're not starting from a blank template. The AI is reading the visual identity of the product and reconstructing it as a structured brand guide. Once it fills in the details, you can refine anything through the agent chat in plain English. Don't like the tagline? Ask for 3 alternatives. It generates them instantly. You pick one and move on. From there, you build out the product catalog, drop in images, give each item a name and description, and you've got a foundation. Here's where this gets interesting. If a client only has 2 or 3 photos of their product, you can generate a full AI photo shoot from a single image. You pick a visual template, the tool renders 4 new styled product images, and they drop straight into the catalog. That's product photography a client would otherwise pay someone for. You just did it in 3 minutes. The website comes next. Pomelli builds it automatically from the brand DNA and catalog data. No configuration, no template dragging, it just appears. You can edit anything through the agent, natural language, conversational, fast. Once it's right, you publish it with one toggle and get a live URL. Picture what that means for someone selling web design to local businesses. A client brief comes in, a new bakery, a mobile pet groomer, a landscaper with no web presence. One session inside Pomelli. You've got a live website, a styled product gallery, and a brand kit PDF to hand over. That deliverable used to take hours across 3 different paid platforms. A website builder alone runs $15 to $30 a month. An AI image tool is another $20. A brand kit platform adds more on top. You're looking at $60 to $80 a month in subscriptions before you've delivered a single thing to a single client. Pomelli does all of it. One tool, one session, 0 monthly cost. That is a $400 to $500 web design package built on free infrastructure. And your margin is basically the whole number. Now you've got the foundation. But here's where most people stop. And that's the exact moment they're leaving money on the table. The campaign builder inside Pomelli is the piece that turns a one-time web design client into a monthly retainer. I'm going to show you how to frame that in 60 seconds. The campaign module lets you build social media, ad sets tied directly to the brand. You select a product, choose the aspect ratio for whatever platform the client uses, describe the promotion, and Pomelli generates 5 styled campaign images in one shot. Every image matches the brand DNA. Fonts, colors, tone, all consistent. And then it goes one step further. You can animate any image into a short video clip. The finished assets download in seconds. That's the piece that changes your pitch. You're not just building websites anymore. There's a second service angle here that's worth naming: graphic design for local businesses, specifically promotional asset creation. A restaurant client wants seasonal promotional graphics for Instagram. A boutique wants product launch images that match their brand. You'd normally need a design platform subscription and a decent amount of skill to pull that off consistently. With Pomelli, the brand DNA handles the consistency automatically. Every campaign image it generates is already on brand. No manual color matching, no font hunting, no template adjusting. You show up, describe the promotion, pick the images, and Pomelli handles the production. 5 styled graphics per session. Animated versions included. That's a graphic design retainer for someone with no design background whatsoever. That is what the solo operator's advantage actually looks like in practice. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. So think about how this plays out in a real scenario. You pick up a social media content creation client, a local gym, a boutique clothing store, a new restaurant. First session, you run their brand through Pomelli, build the DNA, and hand them the brand book as an onboarding deliverable. That alone signals professionalism before you've posted a single thing. Second deliverable, a batch of 5 campaign images plus animated video versions ready to post across their channels. Third month, you're on a retainer, generating fresh campaign batches every few weeks, each one consistent with the brand identity you documented in session 1. You're charging a setup fee to build the brand stack and a monthly retainer to keep producing content. The client is getting branded animated social assets every month. You're generating each batch in under an hour using a free tool. That's a $300 a month retainer with essentially no overhead, and the whole thing started with a URL and 3 product photos. Now, here's the last piece, and this is the one I promised at the start. Inside Pomelli, there's a feature called the brand book. Most people finish building their campaigns and never go looking for it. It takes everything you've built, the brand DNA, the color palette, the fonts, the voice guidelines, the product images, and compiles it into a professionally formatted, downloadable PDF, a shareable brand identity document. You can hand this to the client as a standalone deliverable. It looks like something an agency charged thousands to produce. The whole thing generates in about 30 seconds. That one output alone changes how you position your service, because now you're not just delivering a website or some social graphics, you're delivering a brand. That's a different conversation and it commands a different price. Actually, let me back up for a second because there's a framing point here that matters. The brand book isn't just a nice to have for the client, it's proof of value for you. When you're pitching ongoing social media content creation, you show them the brand book first. They see that everything you produce will be consistent, professional, and tied to a documented identity. That's what closes the retainer. Imagine what your next 30 days look like with this in your stack. You've got a free tool that handles brand creation, web design, product photography, social campaigns, and brand documentation. You're delivering services that used to require a team and a toolbox full of subscriptions. Pomelli handles all of it, and Google built it free. The solo operator running this workflow right now has a real advantage over anyone still paying monthly for tools they barely use. The only question is whether you're going to use it or watch someone else in your market figure it out first, because someone will. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Get after it.